What do you do as a Black woman business owner if your friends or if your family won't support your business? That's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about 3 reasons that they may not be supporting your business, either as a client or just by promoting your business. And then we're going to talk about the thing that's more important, right? The thing that's more important than your friends and family promoting your business. But first, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie Perry. Welcome to Stephanie Perry Media. On this channel, I take you behind the scenes of growing a media business. My media business includes my other YouTube channel, Stephanie Perry, which is at 155,000 subscribers today. It includes my book, which is coming out very soon, some other media projects that I'm working on. If you're interested in seeing the behind the scenes, and growing with me and learning how your business can grow right alongside this business, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, please, and turn on notifications. Ring that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post a new video or when I go live. Welcome. Okay, so I was just at ROI Summit, which is a conference for primarily women and primarily Black and brown women business owners. A lot of the women in the ROI Summit are coaches and consultants and freelancers in this world, right? The same world that I'm in. And you hear a lot the concern, sometimes the complaint, sometimes the angry complaint that their friends and family aren't supporting their business like strangers on the internet are supporting their business. It's common, it's normal. I think everybody experiences this. I really think everybody experiences this. So I wanted to talk about that with you today. First, I just want to say it might hurt your feelings when your friends and family don't support your business, but it won't hurt your business. It might hurt your feelings, but it shouldn't hurt your business. Why? Because if your business model is to only have your friends and family as your clients, you don't have a business anyway, right? If the only way you're going to get clients is if your friends and family support your business, you don't have a business. Okay? All right, but we can fix that. You can fix that. And in connection with that, if you need your friends and family to promote your business out in the world for other people to know about your business, you don't have a marketing plan. That's not their fault, that's your fault, okay? But as I said, it might hurt your feelings. So let's talk first about a couple of reasons that people may not be promoting or supporting your business out in the world. Number one, do they know what you're doing? Just because you share it once in a while on Facebook or Instagram or something doesn't mean that they're really clear about what you're doing. If they're not willing to share and you think that they have people in their circle who would benefit from your business, and your friends and family aren't sharing your business with the people in their circle on social media or in real life, it may be because you're not clear enough about what you do. A lot of us tend to talk about our business on the higher level or on a level that we understand things, but that's not what people are asking for. It's not what people need, and it's not helpful in getting people on your side, on your team, right? So take it down a few notches. Talk about your business in basic terms. Who do you help? What do you help them do? How do you help them do it, right? I've read I get email pitches in my inbox every now and then, and I got 2 email pitches while I was in the conference, as a matter of fact, just last week, and I was like, girl, I don't know what you do. You wrote out a 6-paragraph email to me talking about how you hope we can work together or collaborate. I don't know what you do. I don't know. What do you do? Right? So talk about your thing more clearly, more plainly. That corporate speak is killing us, okay? We've been trained up in the corporate world. Some of you have been trained up in the corporate world or the academic world, and you can't talk to real people. Talk to a real person. Explain to people in basic terms what you do and why this is helpful to people. And somebody in your space, in your sphere, may be able to start talking about and promoting and sharing and supporting your business in a new way. Okay, number one, you're not clear. Number 2 reason that people aren't sharing your thing might be because you're not sharing it enough. You're not talking about it enough. People aren't all in our business. Everybody's living their life. And they forget, or they just don't know. Either they forget what we said or they haven't seen it in the first place. We think that every single post that we put out, our people see. They don't see it, okay? They're living their lives. The algorithms, especially Instagram algorithm, is not on your side. They're not seeing your stuff. So talk about it more clearly and more often. The third reason that your friends and family may not be supporting your business is that you're offering an unappealing solution, right? Maybe you are in a space where they would need the solution to your problem, the solution to the problem. They would need your solution to their problem, right? Maybe they would be an ideal client, or their friends or their connections or their coworkers or their community would be ideal for you. But the solution that you're offering is not appealing. This happens when you create your program, your coaching package, your retreat, your service, without having gotten enough data. Don't be scared by the D word. I just mean you need to talk to enough people. I get a lot of good data just by having a YouTube channel where I do live streams, where people ask me questions. People ask me questions and that tells me what people are into. This video, as I've said, is a result of me hearing enough people say my friends and family aren't supporting my business. So make sure that you're in spaces, in places where you hear people who are in your world talking and sharing. What are their actual concerns? If your ideal client's actual concerns are here, but you're always talking here, you're not going to reach them. You're not reaching them. The person who's talking here is going to reach them and then bring them up the ladder to here. I don't know. I hope this is clear. If this is not clear, let me know in the comments. But your solution may not be appealing, either because you made the solution to a problem that nobody knows they have, or because you just don't talk about your solution in a clear way. It may not be appealing because the way you explain it and describe it is not helpful, right? You start talking about the website and the links and the this and the that. They want to know about the retreat, okay? Did nobody ask you about the website? I'm asking you about the retreat. You start telling why the website's not done, what the this and what's the that. They want to know, where's the retreat? How beautiful is the space? And what do we do during the retreat? So your message, clarity, frequency may be a problem, and maybe the actual solution is a problem, okay? But from a lot of you, none of these are a problem because you're getting clients who are not friends and family. You're getting promoted by people and shared by people in the world who are not friends and family. If that's the case, the problem may not be one of those things, okay? The problem is just that you're relying on friends and family, and that's why it's hurting you. These people are probably not your ideal clients. If your friends and family aren't your ideal clients, then their sharing of your work isn't going to be super helpful. Their opinions of your work also are not going to be helpful. I want to say this, the opinions of your friends and family, the feedback from friends and family are not helpful if your friends and family aren't your ideal clients. Also, the feedback from people who would be your ideal clients, but they're not yet paying for some solution, that feedback also not helpful, right? Feedback that we want is feedback from people who are already paying for some solution, right? We know that they're more likely to pay for your solution. You don't need feedback from people who are never going to pay. That's what I want to say, okay? You don't need feedback from people who are never going to pay, whether they're friends and family or whether they're your dream ideal clients, okay? So, but what if one of that first category isn't really your problem? Then you just need a solid marketing strategy. I wrote down real quickly 3 marketing strategies, but there are a lot of marketing strategies out in the world. Some marketing strategies that may be helpful to you that will take the pressure off of your family and friends. Give them a break, okay? Number 1, referrals. Referrals. Someone who you've already gotten a result for is a wonderful method of you getting your next client. They can refer you to other people. You have to remember, in the referral world, you have to remember that everybody's living their lives. Everybody's busy. You can't rely on the referral if you don't ask for the referral. You should have a solid plan in your business, a solid strategy, a solid email sequence, and more to get referrals. You shouldn't just expect them to fall in your lap. You have to go after referrals just like you go after a brand new client, okay? So have a solid referral strategy. That can include affiliate marketing, giving some previous clients an affiliate commission to refer new clients. But referral marketing is a solid way to market your business. Number 2, paid ads, which is not something I've had any success in, but it's valid, it's legit. And if you can get it to work, it works lovely. It works wonderfully for people. Paid ads. The third method, content marketing, which is what I do on all three of my YouTube platforms. Content marketing is creating content, giving people a taste of what you do, and then moving them from that content platform, YouTube or your podcast, your blog, moving them over to your business. Usually that's through a lead magnet or a freebie. Content marketing is my absolute favorite marketing strategy. I recommend it to you, and I recommend YouTube as the platform that you use for content marketing. Quite frankly, even if your friends and family were sharing your business out in the world, if you don't have a content marketing platform, a YouTube channel or a podcast where people can come and learn more about you and your business, their mention of you, their referral of you is going to fall flat. It's not going to do anything. Can you imagine someone telling you, my so-and-so does such and such, and then you go on the internet and you can't find so-and-so doing such and such? You're going to go with the person, the provider, the coach or the consultant or the freelancer who is doing content marketing, who is talking on the internet to people to bring them in to their client base. Okay? Content marketing, which includes YouTube, is a marketing strategy that will have you no longer sweating whether or not your friends and family share your work. I don't know that most of the people in my family really understand what I do, right? They know I be traveling, they know I'm always somewhere, but I don't know that most people in my family understand what I do. That includes my dad, okay? That includes my dad. And my business is thriving, business is doing well, business is supporting me while I'm in a beach house in Puerto Rico, which maybe I'll show you over on Instagram. Things are doing well because I have a content marketing strategy, okay? If you're not doing any content marketing yet, I have a new content creator bundle at vicarious.com/bundle that you'll be interested in because it gets you started. The content creator bundle includes my Get Found on YouTube Masterclass, which is a masterclass that walks you through how you decide on who your audience is, who your channel is for. We call that a niche, right? Decides on your niche. I believe your niche is your audience, not the subject, because your subject, you can have 2, 3, 4 different subjects as long as you're talking to one core audience, right? Get Found on YouTube walks you through deciding on who your channel is for, what is your niche, and then who are they already watching on YouTube. Because one of the amazing things about YouTube is you don't have to explain to people what it is. You don't have to convince people to come over to YouTube, to the platform. They're already there, and they're already watching some other creators, either in your space or not. Your ideal audience is already watching somebody on YouTube. And in the Get Found on YouTube Masterclass, we find out who that is, and then we learn how to make content that acts as a bridge between what you do and what that other channel talks about, right? How to make that bridge content so that you can move people from that YouTube channel to yours without stealing. You know, you can't steal subscribers. Nobody has to unsubscribe from that channel to subscribe to your channel, right? But in the Get Found on YouTube Masterclass, we learn how to make the videos that the algorithm will then recommend to that other audience of people to help them also become your audience, okay? That's part 1 of the bundle. Part 2 of the new creator bundle is my 2024 content calendar workshop, which is happening Saturday, July 27th, 2024. If you're watching the replay, you've missed the live content creator workshop for this part of the year, but we'll probably do it again over the summer. But at vicarious.com/bundle, you'll get the bundle for both of those products together, which can help you start a YouTube channel. If you're interested in starting a podcast instead, I would recommend that you still put the podcast on YouTube. And so this bundle is really helpful for you as well. And again, the bundle is at vicarious.com/bundle. The link to the bundle is in the description of this video, okay? So what do you do if your friends and family don't support your coaching business, your freelance business, your travel business? What you do is you get a solid marketing strategy of your own, right? So you don't have to rely on them. So you don't have any care or concern one way or another if they support you. But also you make sure that your message is clear, that you're delivering your message enough out in the world, and you make sure that your offer is what people actually want. It's something that people actually want in the space. All right, thanks so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if one of these bullet points really spoke to you, right? If one of these bullet points made sense to you, if you know that your people aren't sharing because of one of those reasons, or if you know that your marketing strategy is a little underdeveloped, and that's why you're so concerned about what your friends and family are or aren't doing for you. I promise you, once you get your own marketing channels churning, you won't care that other people in your life aren't supporting your business. They're not your ideal clients anyway. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like button on your way out and share this video with a Black woman you know who is asking those same questions. Why aren't my friends supporting my business? Why isn't my family supporting my business? Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.